No matter how much skincare you do, how many glow-up products you use, or what grooming routine you follow, if you don't give up these 7 habits, your face will never improve. In fact, these small mistakes are destroying your natural glow. And the most dangerous part is that you don't even realize you're damaging your face every single day. Today, I'm going to reveal the 7 habits that are keeping you looking average. If you stop them starting today, you'll notice a difference in your face in just 7 days. Make sure to watch until the end because the last point is the most underrated one, and it's the deciding factor in whether your skin improves or stays exactly the same. Just think about it. When does your face look the most tired? It's when you're scrolling through your phone late at night, watching YouTube, or staying up until 2 a.m. just to watch one more reel. Nighttime is when your body and skin repair themselves. The later you sleep, the less time your skin has to recover. The result? Dull skin, dark circles, and a tired-looking face. That's why even if you wash your face with cold water in the morning, that feeling of freshness is still missing because your face isn't resting. It's surviving. According to studies, when you get 7 to 8 hours of proper sleep, your body produces collagen, the protein that helps keep your skin tight and healthy. But when your sleep cycle is disrupted, collagen production drops, making your face look older and more lifeless. So remember this simple rule. Sleeping early is natural skincare. You might not use any products at all, but if you're sleeping properly, your face will naturally look fresher. Now let's talk about a habit almost everyone has without realizing it. You might think touching your face is harmless, but it's actually one of the hidden causes of skin problems. Your phone, your keyboard, door handles, all of them carry bacteria. And every time you touch your face, that bacteria transfers directly onto your skin, clogging pores, causing irritation, and increasing breakouts. Even something as simple as resting your face on your hand can make things worse. No matter how expensive your face wash is, your skin won't improve completely until you stop doing this. The rule is simple. Only touch your face with clean hands or a clean towel. The less you touch it, the cleaner and fresher it stays. Whether your skin glows or looks dull depends heavily on how hydrated your body is. When you're dehydrated, your skin feels rough, tight, that natural glow disappears. At that point, even expensive moisturizers only work on the surface, not from within. Water helps keep your skin hydrated, improves blood circulation, and helps your body remove waste more efficiently, which means cleaner looking skin, healthier looking skin, and often fewer breakouts. Many people complain about dull skin, but the real problem isn't skincare, it's dehydration. A simple habit like consistently drinking 3 to 4 liters of water every day can make a noticeable difference. Within a week, your skin can feel softer, your face can look fresher, and you'll often feel less tired overall. Now here's another habit that most people completely ignore. Many people think sunscreen is only necessary when you're at the beach or spending hours outside, but that's not true. UV exposure happens every day, even indoors near windows, even during normal daily activities. Over time, UV damage breaks down collagen, leading to pigmentation, uneven skin tone, and premature aging, which makes your face look dull, even when everything else in your routine is perfect. Sunscreen acts like an invisible shield, protecting your skin from unnecessary damage. Applying sunscreen every morning should be non-negotiable. Whether you're going to college, going to work, or staying at home, stay consistent with it, and you'll start noticing a healthier and more even skin tone over time. Now let's talk about one of the most ignored habits on this list. Sugar tastes good, but your skin pays the price. Soft drinks, chocolates, pastries, sugary coffees. When consumed regularly, they contribute to processes that weaken collagen inside the body. And collagen is what helps keep your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. Too much sugar can make your skin look tired, increase breakouts, and make pores appear more visible. Even if you're only 18 or 20 years old, it doesn't just affect acne, it can also affect oil production and overall skin quality. If you genuinely want better skin, start reducing processed sugar. Replace it with fruits, natural alternatives, and cleaner food choices. Stick with it for just a couple of weeks, and you'll be surprised how much healthier your skin starts to look. Now let's talk about a habit that most people don't realize affects their appearance. When you constantly breathe through your mouth, your body doesn't function as efficiently as it should. Over time, this can contribute to facial puffiness, low energy, and a tired appearance. The scary part, most people don't even notice they're doing it. Nasal breathing helps support better oxygen flow, better circulation, and better overall function, which can influence how fresh and energized you look. Start paying attention to it, whether you're studying, working, walking, or scrolling through try breathing through your nose whenever possible. Many people notice they feel more energized and less fatigued within days. Now let's talk about the final habit. And honestly, this might be the reason your skin never improves, no matter how many products you buy. Nowadays, social media is full of skincare advice. One creator recommends one product, another recommends something completely different, and most people end up buying random products without even knowing whether they're right for their skin. But here's the problem. A product that works perfectly for someone else can completely ruin your results. If you have oily skin and use products meant for dry skin, your acne can get worse. If you have sensitive skin and use harsh products, you can damage your skin barrier. And if your skin barrier is damaged, your face can become irritated. The scary part, most people never realize this is happening. They keep buying new products, keep spending more money, keep following random advice, and 6 months later, their skin still looks exactly the same, or worse. The truth is that skincare isn't about buying more products. It's about using the right products for your skin type. Because if you're using the wrong products, you could be undoing all the good habits we talked about in this video. And that's exactly why thousands of men have already used the Refined Skin Playbook to build a skincare routine based on their skin type instead of guessing. Because looking better isn't just about having clearer skin. It's about confidence. It's about first impressions. It's about looking like the best version of yourself. Most men will keep guessing and they'll keep getting average results. The same skin, the same frustration, the same lack of confidence every time they look in the mirror. But you don't have to. If you want to know exactly which products to use, which ingredients to avoid, and how to build a routine that actually works for your skin, click the link in the description and get the complete Refined Skin Playbook. Stop guessing. Start improving. Refine yourself.